May 2024, HMI Institute of Health Sciences, a healthcare training provider in Singapore, suffered a data breach. An Excel file containing the personal data of 761 individuals was inadvertently made publicly accessible on the internet. The exposed data included names, addresses, email addresses, telephone numbers, NRIC numbers, dates of birth, nationality, race, gender, and educational qualifications. The affected individuals had provided their personal data via the organization's Students' Career Portal, which was decommissioned in December 2019. The organization failed to ensure the portal was properly decommissioned. It only confirmed the portal was no longer accessible at its original URL, but did not verify if the data was deleted. The Excel file remained in the web directory of the organization's website with no access control, allowing it to be indexed by search engines and made publicly accessible. For breaching the protection obligation under Section 24 of the PDPA, HMI Institute of Health Sciences was fined 10,000 Singapore dollars. The penalty reflected the breach's seriousness and the organization's second contravention of the PDPA. However, the organization's cooperation, voluntary admission, and prompt remedial actions were considered mitigating factors. So, what are the important takeaways? A secure system design is crucial. Proper decommissioning of IT systems must include verifying that all personal data is deleted and no longer accessible. Organizations must oversee IT vendors closely and establish clear policies and processes for vendor management to ensure proper handling of personal data. They must also conduct regular vulnerability assessments and penetration testing to identify and fix security gaps. Lastly, they must appoint a reliable data protection officer. A strong DPO ensures compliance, enforces security best practices, and reduces regulatory risks.